And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking towards lovely downtown Lethbridge. Still a few stray flurries out there in the eastern sections of the city of Lethbridge. We have a few more possible tonight as well. I wouldn't call it so much snow right now as just some of those lingering flurries, but we could see a little more of an impulse of that as we get into the evening hours. It's kind of a last gasp as this system pulls away. -5 is where we're at right now. We got down to -6 degrees at 9 a.m. and -3 was our daytime high, and that happened just 20 seconds after midnight. So we got it out of the way early and then we cooled down. Take a look at the temperatures all across southern Alberta, all in the minus values. That's to be expected with the system that we had pulling through, taking a ride on the jet stream, pulling down some cooler air mass. You can see though on the satellite map now that we're just looking at some thin bands of cloud making their way through. There still is some moisture attached to these bands though, so that's why we're still seeing some isolated pockets of flurry activity, and that could happen during the evening hours. But we're expecting the skies overnight to really clear out. So what we're going to be seeing by tomorrow is a lot more clearing and a lot less of these pockets of precipitation making their way across the province as this system does pull away and exits. The bulk of it right now is in Saskatchewan, so Regina and Saskatoon getting some light snow in both of those locations right now. The forecaster, you can see as the loop continues here, by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon, low pressure center across the north is going to be dragging a warm front, and as that warm front passes through, that's what's going to start upping the temperatures over the next several days. We'll have a high here in Lethbridge tomorrow of 7 degrees. Wait till you see the 5-day forecast. We're going to be into the mid-teens. Down east, they've got a weather bomb lining up in Atlantic Canada, St. John's, the Avalon Peninsula, getting hit by strong rain, heavy winds, and heavy amounts of snowfall overnight. Tonight could see 30 centimeters, so just that huge, massive low that's affecting them there. Maritime's pretty quiet, sun and cloud mix, and that extends right to Winnipeg, and then you've got some light snow there. Snow events still happening through Regina and Saskatoon. -8 degrees in Edmonton right now with some light snow. 3 days of rain setting up for Vancouver. We've got a snow-rain mix setting up for Whitehorse right now, and very strong winds through Yellowknife. Drifting snow is a problem right now. It's going to be windy tonight and all day tomorrow there as well. East Kootenay, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, down to -8 degrees, mainly sunny tomorrow, 5 degrees for a high. Winds will be out of the west at about 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. Crow's Nest Pass, partly cloudy tonight, down to -9. Tomorrow, a sun and cloud mix, small chance of a leftover flurry in the morning, but then a sun and cloud mix for the bulk of the day. Your winds will be gusting to 70 in the afternoon. Medicine Hat, chance of a flurry tonight, down to -11 degrees, and then clearing skies tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix for the bulk of the day, heavy on the sunshine, 4 degrees for a daytime high. And here in Lethbridge, a chance of that flurry activity tonight, but tomorrow we're looking at mainly sunny skies, 7 degrees for a high, west winds at about 30 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. So we've got some nice days ahead. There's your 5-day forecast setting up on the screen. Look at that. Thursday, 14 degrees, 17 degrees on Friday. As we get in behind the warm front, Pacific area of high pressure is setting up in behind the warm front. So that really stabilizes things as we get into the weekend. And even towards the beginning and the middle of next week, it looks like we've got sunshine and really nice temperatures. So a nice stable pack coming up for the next several days. Focus on safety. Yeah. How often do you do this? I know you might quickly rinse them, but really they need to be washed properly with soap and water. Bacteria can build up on a daily basis and make your pet ill. So keep it clean. That's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone.